Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, your friend Brenda Pearson from here in Oxford, United Kingdom. And if it's your first time here in my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. In today's video, I'm going to show to you what's inside my wellness box. I ordered this premium starter kit with Desert Mist Diffuser because I can save more money. This Desert Mist Diffuser is very pretty, a custom designed diffuser made to look like a beautiful and elegant vase. The design features a romantic Moroccan trellis pattern, which brings a sense of exotic into your home or office. Each oil inside this premium starter kit has its own superpower to target its individual's specific needs. I've been using essential oils for over 2 years now. I use it every day. I use it to diffuse it in the morning, and I also diffuse in the evening. A lot of people are using essential oils to inspire a positive emotional state, to enhance physical wellness, to enhance spiritual awareness, to purify their home. I also use essential oils as part of my beauty routine. So this is the Desert Mist Diffuser. I'm going to show to you how to use this. It's so easy. All you need is water, so just remove this and put some water. Add the oil that you would like to diffuse. So like now I'm going to diffuse the lemon oil, so just add 2 to 3 drops. Then switch on. Okay, so you can change the colors. You can't see here because you can't see the color here changing because it's very bright here outside, but inside your home you will see different colors and you can change it into different colors. So this is an ultrasonic diffuser, and the steam, it's cold, it's not hot. Now, you can enjoy the refreshing aroma. This is the Desert Mist Diffuser. There are 12 most popular oils in this premium starter kit. So that's the copaiba, the jice, frankincense, lavender, lemon, the pine-away, peppermint, purification, RC and tips, and also the stress away and the orange oil. And also you will get these 10 sample bottles where you can use to refill the oil if you would like to share with your friend. You also get this card, and also you will get this roller fitment. So this is the product guidebook where you can find more information about the company, about the seed to seal, the farms, and you can find more information about the essential oils and different essential oils and blends and plus oils. So these are included in the premium starter kit with the Desert Mist Diffuser. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to leave your comments and give me a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. See you again. Bye for now.